Libra, 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 what is going on? Welcome back for a weekly reading. I need to do something about these cards. I've got so many decks just shoved over on the side here. Let's see what's going on, Libra. Ooh, I love me some Jesus. Ooh, I love me some Jesus. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. Okay. Someone here has been recognizing patterns with a father figure. Whether it's, your husband or your father or brother, or there's some type of pattern you're recognizing in someone else. Where maybe you judged them, a little bit at first, but you're coming out of that, and they want you to know you're in a really good place with this, because you recognizing this pattern in someone else has helped you recognize why you have a certain pattern. So all of this it's like you recognizing these things has all been for the purpose of you pulling back your own layers and understanding yourself. You are transcending so much right now. Like Lord Shiva, this card here, Transcendence. They're telling you that they're giving you the steps, verbatim, what you should be doing. So whatever it is they're asking of you at this time, just keep doing that. I want to read the message. I want to read the message from the book. Okay. Shiva is one of India's trinity of male and god figures. He is depicted wearing a cobra around his neck, representing his capacity to tame fear or the ego, surrounded by stars, showing his connection to the cosmos, and holding a trident, acknowledging the three aspects of divine masculine power in India: creator, preserver, and destroyer. He is known as the destroyer because of his warrior-like energy and the ability to destroy fear. He is a facet of the Divine Father energy and offers paternal protection, support, and guidance. He is also acknowledged as the cosmic dancer because he helps coordinate the interaction between Earth and the cosmos. He has the capacity to help us move beyond the fear of failure and into clarity and connection. Lord Shiva is with you right now to awaken your sense of connection to life itself. You are moving through a deep transition, and things will be clearer from this point. You will know exactly what you need to do and where you need to be. This is a powerful time as you will transcend the limitations that others have set for you. It is a time of innovation, ideas, stargazing, soul traveling, and soul revealing. Shiva, the Lord of Dance, is here with his sacred sound of Om to lead the way. You're being protected. I love it. Okay. You're my soulmate. Is it true? Is it true? I heard you were dating someone. Please tell me it isn't. You're my soulmate. Someone is kind of freaking out because they think they may have lost a chance with you. And you know what it is? It has taken you, even if you're not dating, But it's taken you dating someone or looking like you're dating someone in order for somebody to wake up to this connection. Damn it, that card fell. Hold on. Okay. So, somebody that you were with is freaking out because they think that you're dating somebody else. It's got them in their head, and they're thinking about the things that they did in the relationship now. Instead of, before where maybe they were noticing all of your flaws, now they're recognizing some of their own patterns from your relationship with them. I have been lying to and gaslighting you. You weren't crazy, you were right. I just wasn't strong enough to admit it. Yeah, somebody, maybe you called them out on their bullshit. Maybe they were cheating or something. No matter how many people I've met and experiences I have, there's no one who compares to you. So they were trying to get over you. It wasn't for a lack of trying. They were trying to. And you know what? I just heard that they thought you were a bit of a prude. But now that you guys aren't together, maybe you're doing things that has them like questioning whether you have this wild side. It's like they know you have a wild side and they want to experience that wild side, but they don't want to be the person to initiate it. They don't want to initiate it. You are mysterious to them. Okay, let's see. What do you want? These artists. Engaging in artistic activities is beneficial to your career and every other area of your life. All right, you know what? There's the step that's being given. It fell out directly on this card. Lord Shiva talking about transcendence. So you being an artist, you doing something artistic, not only it's not only beneficial to your career, it's beneficial to every other area of your life. And the reason it's so beneficial is because of the vibrational set point that it puts you in. You are somebody who can get lost for hours in artistic endeavors, but you have not given yourself the opportunity to get lost in it just yet. And there's something that you haven't even tried yet that's going to be your bread and butter, but in order for you to try that specific thing, you have to do all the other little things that lead up to that specific thing. Okay. These. This is weird. They're having me use all decks with words on them. Like, I don't typically do that, but every deck that they've had me use have messages. Success. Okay. You got some good news on the way. And you know what? They're pointing to the fact that this artist card is like on both of these. So they're saying your victory comes through your artistic endeavors. You are going to be publicly recognized for whatever it is that you do. And they want you to know that this, when you do this, this happens fast. This success, this recognition, it's quick. All right, you're going to have a lot of events happening at like a, warp speed here. Somebody's really going to be kicking themselves in the butt when they realize who they overlooked. Like, I mean, big time kicking themselves in the butt. There's something that you're going to be doing, that thing that they were saying that's, you've never even tried it, it's so far off. There's something that you do that is very, 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 very unique. 8 billion people on this planet, you would be the one person doing this. I'm not kidding you. It's that unique. There's something about what you do, and people flock to it. People are so enamored by whatever it is that you create. So have some fun, let loose, get artistic. That way that all this stuff can come in for you right now, instead of being, it's like you keep asking Source when something's coming in, and Source is saying, well, it'll come in when you take action first. So that's what they want you to know. You've got a lot of good things coming your way. I love this, Libra. I'll see you in the next one. Peace and love.